for the last 2 weeks, it has been trading very near its 21 DMA, which is a green line here. So going forward, that level is going to be a very crucial level for the index. If the index breaches this level, then the next support is at its 50 DMA. And coming to O'Neill's methodology, we are in confirmed uptrend and under pressure. If there is any further accumulation of distribution days, we might change the market status to downtrend. But as the Nifty is trading near all-time highs, if it makes a new all-time high and closes above that, we want to change the market status to confirmed uptrend on the upside. As mentioned, on the downside, 21 DMA and 50 DMA are going to be a crucial levels for the index. Currently, distribution day count is at 5. That is Nifty falling 0.2% or more on higher volume is considered as a distribution day. So if there is any further accumulation of these distribution days and Nifty breaching key moving averages indicates selling coming into the market. So it is better to change the market status to downtrend and stay away from the markets rather than exposed to the market's volatility. Going forward, the key news section for the day. Lots of companies have come up with their Q3 numbers during the weekend. Some of them I have picked and put here. One starting with Indigo, that is Interglobe Aviation Company, major airliner in India. The company has come up with very good numbers for the December quarter. Revenue has increased 30% year-on-year basis to 19,000 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side increased more than 100 to almost 3,000 crores of rupees. Yield has increased 2% to 5.48. Yield is a very key parameter in the airline industry. Yield gives us the number that is a cost per passenger per mile covered. So that is one of the key parameter to watch out when our airline companies come with their results. Load factor has also improved 0.7 points to 85.8. So on overall, starting with the top line to bottom line, everything there has been very good improvement by the airliner. So we might see a positive action in the company's stock reaction. Tata Motors has come up with their numbers as well. Revenue has for the quarter increased 25% year-on-year basis to 1.1 trillion rupees. Profit increased more than 100%, that is almost 137% to 7,000 crores of rupees. EBITDA margin has also seen an expansion of 300 basis points to 13.9%. State Bank of India, leading public sector bank in India, has come up with their results for the December. A couple of pointers to watch out for. Our net interest income for the company has increased of 4.6% to 39,000 crores of rupees. Profit has seen a sharp fall of 35% to 9,000 crores of rupees. This is majorly due to an exceptional loss of 7,000 crores for the quarter. Asset quality improved slightly with gross NPS falling 13 basis points to 2.42%. Net NPS the company has remained flat during the quarter at 0.64%. LIC Housing Finance has also come up with their results. Net interest income has grown 31% to 2,000 crores of rupees. Profit increased more than 140% to 1,100 crores of rupees. Outstanding loan portfolio as of quarter end was up 5% to 2.81 trillion crores of rupees. And for the results, for the companies reporting their results today are some of the major companies are Ashok Leyland, Alembic Pharma, Bharti Airtel, Varun Beverages, Triveni Turbine, Bajaj Electricals, Tata Chemicals are some of the companies which will be reporting their numbers. Apart from this, there are other companies from mid and small cap spaces as well. So if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful. There might be some volatile action happening, exception during a results announcement. Talking about the global market update, overnight, that is on the Friday closing, US market closed on the positive territory. Dow Jones was up 0.4%. S&P and Nasdaq were up more than 1%. Whereas the Asian markets are trading with negative cues, except for Nikkei, which is trading 0.6% higher, but Kospi and Shanghai are trading in deep red. Kospi with 1.4% of decline and Shanghai with more than 2.7% of decline. So there are global cues are very mixed. Gift Nifty is also indicating a muted opening. There are no major cues. US market has given positive cues, but Asia markets are trading on the negative territory. Gift Nifty is also slightly on the muted note. It is trading, so we might see a muted action in the today's session as well. As long as there is no major event happening during the session, we might see Nifty moving, hovering around yesterday's close. That is last session close, 50, 60 point here and there. The chart of the day, we picked KPIT. Currently, it is trading in a stage 6 consolidation base. It is trading 4% to its pivot. Most of the parameters are looking very good. EPS is at 56. It's slightly lower because of 1 quarter of degrowth. Technical ratings are very much positive. That is RS rating of almost 70, A by D rating of A minus. Number of fund section has also seen very good improvement. But according to O'Neill's methodology, we would not encourage buying stocks which are breaking out from late stage basis. But the overall objective of discussing a chart is to understand how we look at a chart from O'Neill lens. Our advice is not to whether invest or invest or exit, but our objective is to educate here about the O'Neill's methodology and how to read a chart. On that lines, during the base formation, the volume has also dried up, showing good signs of base formation. And when the stock is trying to break out, that is right side of the base, volumes have also started to increase. So it's going to be a good breakout if it happens on higher volume. But as mentioned, late stage bases are not encouraged to buy because the risk involved, inherent risk is involved in the late stage basis. So we might see a sharp fall whenever stock breaks out from late stage bases such as 4 and 5. A slight volatility in the market will increase or will creep into volatility of the stock as well. So that might hit the stop loss. So that is the reason we do not encourage late stage bases. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.